Welcome everybody. Today I will be reviewing the PreSonus Eris 3.5 studio monitors. Amazon links with the best price in the description, don't miss out. The Eris 3.5 delivers honest, precise audio that is perfect for critical listening and production work. The woven composite woofers produce tight bass with reduced distortion, ensuring a cleaner overall sound. This attention to detail makes these monitors ideal for mixing, mastering, or simply enjoying music as the artist intended. The 1-inch silk dome tweeters provide a natural high-frequency response and an ultra-wide listening sweet spot, allowing for superior stereo imaging from almost any angle. Despite their small size, the Eris 3.5 packs a punch with 50 watts of Class AB dual amplification, 25 W per side. The speakers maintain tonal balance and clarity, even at higher volumes, making them suitable for small studios, desktop setups, and even bookshelf use. The precision tuning controls for high and low frequencies let you customize the sound to suit your specific room and setup. The Eris 3.5 is designed to integrate seamlessly into any audio setup. Professional inputs, a 1/4-inch TRS balanced inputs on the back panel for studio equipment. Consumer inputs, unbalanced RCA inputs for turntables or home audio devices. Convenient AUX input, a front panel 1/8-inch stereo AUX input for quick connections to smartphones and tablets. This wide range of input options ensures the monitors can handle everything from professional-grade gear to casual devices with ease. Front panel headphone output, with a built-in headphone amplifier, the front panel makes it easy to switch to headphones for private listening or detailed audio reference. Power-saving mode. After 40 minutes of idle time, the monitors automatically enter a power-saving mode, helping conserve energy. Expandable system. Pair the Eris 3.5 with the Eris Sub 8BT Studio subwoofer for enhanced low-end response and Bluetooth connectivity, creating a powerful 2.1 speaker system for immersive audio. Whether placed on a desk, bookshelf, or next to a record player, the Eris 3.5's precision tuning controls ensure they perform optimally in any environment. Their compact size and sleek design make them a great fit for home studios, small workspaces, or casual listening areas. The PreSonus Eris 3.5 studio monitors offer professional-grade sound quality, versatile connectivity, and user-friendly features, all in a compact and affordable package. Whether you're a budding music producer, a dedicated audiophile, or someone who values accurate sound reproduction, the Eris 3.5 is an excellent choice. Its combination of power, clarity, and convenience ensures you'll get a premium audio experience tailored to your needs. Highly recommended. Amazon links with the best price in the description, don't miss out.